Shugor nakaslem jong unongsan Hima.
Kajala Meghalaya kadangdon ha kakardan ka Hapoh lada ken kalum ya ki bapenan kam ya ka LPG ha gari. Henry ka jing persyang ban penyar ya ka jing penyeso lingba ka jing penan kam ya ka ding ka Koit. Hapoh ka Pradhan Mantri Ujwala Yojana 3.0 kadang ya chekman. Ka sarkar jala ka thmuru ban kenthop ya kumba shilak tali kilong yeng ki bampat yo bande ya ka LPG. U Principal Secretary Katnat Food and Civil Supplies u Pravin Bakshi u loong bagajing penankam ya ke LPG ha Meghalaya menta kalong hinyo pulai ponsan ya ka benta na ka 6%. Bat ong ba ha ka PMUY 3.0 ka IA ban pendat ya ke LPG Klemdor kentup ya ka stove bat ka refill baningkong. Man penti kena bagajing penankam ya ka ding ka Koit kan poi shaman la kilong yeng ki badai hok. Ubakshi ulo ang ru ba lapensok ya kerukum apply omdan kam show ya kisernot kas Henry ka adhar kalong kabadan kam ban pentikna ya kajing yo hok bat ong ru ba labu ya kajing penbet na kabenta kibashuan shongwai. Nakilang Chief General Manager ka Indian Oil u Amarjoyti bordoloy ulo ang ba ka Meghalaya kadon kumba hinyo ponsan laktili kilong yeng Henry kajing penan kam LPG ka batray kam kalong tang kumba Henry up kundai persen. Baru loong badan kam ban pensau thu kham ha kham tam ha kishnong nong kendong. Ha ka ju kapor la yo ru ka jing batai penshai na ka Director ka Food and Civil Supplies Department ka Saloni Verma.
Latest tranche of Pradhan Mantri Ujwala Yojana PMUY 3.0 envisages release of 25 lakh LPG connections nationally, and in this the beneficiaries will receive free LPG connection, which includes deposit-free cylinder and pressure regulator, Suraksha hose, DGCC, which is the short form for Domestic Gas Consumer Card, waiver of administrative charges. Apart from this, the oil marketing companies, be it IOCL, be it BPCL, they will also provide LPG stove and first refill free of cost to all the beneficiaries who get enrolled under the scheme. And of course, in the course of the press briefing, you will learn more about the scheme. But in this, there are three options for the beneficiary also: 4.2 kg single bottle, 5 kg single bottle of 5 kg double bottle connection as per the need of the beneficiary. It has been made fairly hassle-free. There is no requirement for any mandatory certification like caste, SC, ST for making an application under PMUY. However, biometric Aadhaar authentication is mandatory for application of PMUY. So this is one thing which Ministry is trying to focus on very clearly in a very concerted way, so that we have maximum outreach in a transparent manner. So this is something which we'll have to share with all the potential beneficiaries. This benefit is there for all, but also it comes with mandatory need for Aadhaar. And this is not for any other purpose, but simply to do rightful targeting. Now, if you see in various ministries, Government of India, the word which is being used repeatedly is rightful targeting of genuine and eligible beneficiaries. So this is one way by which the central government ensures that benefits reach out to those people who need it, those people who are actually the beneficiaries. And there's also a special clause allowing migrant workers and households also to apply for LPG connections. And you will be happy to know that in our state, since the coverage is slightly lower as compared to other parts of the country, it's around 73.15% only, and there is scope to cover little less than 2 lakh households. So it's a great opportunity for our state. And in this, what has happened is that the targeting has been done by IOCL and BPCL jointly, and through them we'll be able to reach out to all our beneficiaries, those households who are left out. So here I would like to share just two more things. One is that there is need for certain documents, which, as you know, in any other government scheme, there will be a need, and we have to support and we have to facilitate the process, for which there is need for photocopy of the ration card. It could be AAY, PHH, non-NFSA card. We have come up with a very good clause. This is the initiative of the state government, that village headman certificate we have facilitated, and it has been approved by the supply department and the state government, and it has been made available to IOCL and all the other OMCs. So this actually helps in terms of co-option, and in terms of the kind of participation we want to the village headmen and community leaders also. And of course other things like job card, photocopy, Aadhaar card, bank account is a must, which under any circumstances is needed for most of the government schemes, and a few KYC documents. You need to have a phone number and 2 copies of passport size photo. So these are some very easy to get, easy to supply, easy to furnish documents which we all have nowadays, and I think we will not have any problem in facilitating the households to be able to get this PMUY 3.0 connections by making use of this the provisions under the scheme. We would like to express our gratitude to IOCL for holding this conference, and partners, BPCL also, they are very serious. I also recall last time when we had PMUY connections, we were very happy to see more than 1 lakh connections being given on a very short span of time, for which, if I'm not mistaken, IOCL got an award also, but you didn't give us the party for the award. So anyway, in PMUY 3.0, once you are able to touch 1 lakh, so once again we'll have a celebratory press conference, followed by a good party which is due from the side of IOCL. But we are very thankful to you.